Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on how to clean this clip art up. And before I made the video, I sent it to the viewer, the subscriber, and then they wrote right back thanking me and thought it was great, but they wanted to be able to cut it out. And as you can see, there are no lines, it's all fill, and you can just double check that by putting no fill so you have no lines. So if you had lines, they would look like that. So we want to go fill and no fill. But they could not put a outline box around it, and they couldn't figure out how they could cut it out. Well, when I sent it to them, I didn't know they were going to do that, and I grouped it all together so the eyes and everything would stay together. So I'm going to make my yellow box a little bit thinner because of the fact that you have to go off the page to select this, or you'll keep hitting your box. But if you go off your page and don't select all your page, so all she has to do is go to ungroup, and then there are different pieces, and then select your whole thing, and then your outline, create a boundary, comes up. And I've still got my nudge distance set on 4 inches, so there's your cut line. And a couple things you could do: you could leave it like that, and it would cut right on the edge of that black, or as in previous videos, you'd go to Effects, Contour, just so they'll be aware, click on your item and contour it 0.125, let's say an eighth of an inch off, put apply. That's way too much because I've got this really small. And that's another thing: when you're tracing clip art, make it as small as you can possibly make it. So let's go 1/1,000 of an inch, and let's see how big that is. That's not quite enough. Let's go 0.006. Let's double that. So now we've got a good box. Then go up to Range, Break Contour Apart, and just grab the red and delete it. Then take your outline, your new outline, and hit your left arrow key. And now you have an outline around this frog, so you'll have a little bit of wood between there and the engraving. Anyway, I hope it helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.